L. Thank you so much for watching. This is Editing L, where I come on here and explain where I've been for 4 months. I've been dealing with a broke leg, but I'm going to take you all the way back to Christmas because I haven't filmed since then, and I'm going to take you all the way until now. And let's start the vlogs over. Comment below and let me know what you want to hear. Subscribe for more. Thank you for my OGs who gave me some much needed comments to get me through it. I am all better now, and let's catch up. Talk to you later. Today I'm going to bring you a special video. I've never did one of these, but I love to watch them. Comment below if you love it, and make sure you subscribe if you are a subscriber. Thank you so much for being an OG, following me from day one. I appreciate it. Today I'm going to tell you what I got for Christmas, and this is things that I gifted myself as well as my husband has gifted me. I hope you enjoy it. So hopefully you can take these ideas and use them for yourself. I figured that I would just share them with you because they are great gifts, and I really watch people all year to see what they want, and then I stock up on it by the end of the year. So that's how I give my gifts to my husband. So if you want to see what I got my husband, comment below and let me know, and I can do a video for you. But I'm going to show you exactly what I got for Christmas this year. I hope you enjoy it, and thumbs up if you love videos like this. I know I do, and it's just fun to watch and, you know, get some ideas for next year, as well as birthdays or any anniversaries coming up. Just give ideas in general. So actually, let's get started with what's right over my head. This is one of my gifts for Christmas, and it's right here. So thank you so much, and let's get started.
Okay.
What's that?
I think it's another tripod.
Wow, that's a
really
nice one.
Yeah. Oh, this is for the.
What's that?
So this must be a microphone on top. But then it takes away your hot shoe.
What? What's that?
What?
What? Charger?
Battery.
Battery. Okay. You did a lot of it. I'm a blogger.
Oh.
This is the unboxing.
So did you unbox it in the front? Did you vlog it? And it was,
Yeah,
and
and I was like, oh my god, on my channel, I'm like, this so good, I got to make some Apple store.
What's your channel?
Mr. Traveler is my husband.
What's your channel?
Yep, it's very popular.
YouTube?
Yep. I do building Glam.
Did you?
Yep, but my husband do travel, so you'll see his, we'll pop right up, you'll see his on there.
Oh wow, right here.
I told you.
Right here?
That's us. We own a travel franchise and we travel the world. We go everywhere. Yep. Yep. We going to Hawaii, Alaska. We've been all around the world. We just went to
If you want to do this,
Mediterranean. Call us if you want to book something.
I got the channel now, so I definitely.
Yes. You have a channel too?
No, I said I got y'all channel now, so I can.
Are you a vlogger?
No, I just want to travel eventually. I just graduated from UCF, so I'm starting my career. I'm trying to travel.
Nice. So much to see out there, man. We did,
You have to go there.
you know,
have to go
recently I was
there.
going to the Caribbean.
I can live in Italy.
I'm going there where the history was, man.
You can live in Italy.
It was crazy.
You can live there. This is beautiful.
And do you guys like show how you can do it like on a budget and all that?
Yeah.
Yep.
We show a lot. Yeah. We show a lot of stuff, and we own the travelers, so we have to, you know, follow us and help them out. Thank you, my friend. So you want these?
Yes, sir. I
These
know.
aren't the wireless,
I
so
don't
this
need
will
the
work
wireless. I can add it
do
to
it
the
though.
bed. I can add it to the bed. Just plug it in. Yep.
Let's get all that stuff.
And when you say beauty, do you mean like makeup or hair?
Yes. Hair, makeup, everything, beauty, nails, hair. I do all that. Glam. That's my other channel. Yep. Okay, we're back from the Apple store, and I decided to go with this particular iPad Air with the Apple Magic Keyboard because it's an amazing pairing. I'm trying to replace my computer and my iPhone with my iPad. I want to use it as a mini computer. As a content creator for 2 different channels, I find that Final Cut Pro is very comparable with it. It's very light and airy. I can take it anywhere when I travel. It has a front and back camera, and I love that stencil pencil feature. I decided to get my name on it, so my husband has it as well, so we can differentiate who's whose. You can get your name on it as well as on the pencil. So I recommend going into the Apple store to see what works for you and to fit your needs. My favorite feature is it has a built-in Apple Intelligence, and it has a M4 microchip on it, which offers a better performance. It's liquid retina display, and it's 11 inches. Say hello to my new camera. As a content creator for 2 different channels, I love cameras. This is my favorite camera. This camera goes everywhere with me from now on, and I love it. I'm trying to replace my phone as well as the GoPro. This particular camera is a Sony ZV-E10 in 4K. It has a feature that's called Quick Slow, and I can slow down footage or I can quickly speed up footage, and it's so easy to use. It has a versatile camera in the back that flips out, and it also has a windsock that comes with it as well. It's easy to use. If you want me to go over it, please comment below and let me know, and I can review it for you. And just in case you're wondering, that black and white jumper is from Chick Couture, and these earrings, this beautiful jewelry that I'm wearing right here, is from Amazon. I'll have everything linked below, as well as this cute bracelet. It's a chunky bracelet, and I just love it. And this is the camera that I'm filming on, so I hope you enjoy the footage. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching today. I enjoyed this video. I hope you did too. If you loved it, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. Follow me on Glam, as well as Facebook, Instagram, and wherever you can find me. I'm very social, and you can follow me on a daily basis over at Mr. Traveler as well. Thank you so much for watching. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye, everyone.